Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the three 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Important: make note of the placement of the mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board for later replacement. Peel back the mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board screws. Remove the three 1.6mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.